Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at MagVision glasses. These glasses promise to give you crystal clear vision with a 160% magnification. But do they actually work, or are they just a gimmick? Stay tuned to find out the truth. Quick disclaimer, all the information I'm sharing is based on reviews and details I've found from the official website and third-party sources. So what are MagVision glasses all about? According to the official site, these glasses come with 160% magnifying lenses that are supposed to make everyday tasks like reading and seeing distant objects a whole lot easier. They boast high-quality polycarbonate lenses and scratch-resistant frame, and the best part, no prescription needed. Sounds pretty great, right? You can get crystal clear vision without an ophthalmologist's prescription. Plus, they promise no distortion and say they're light and flexible. But before you rush to buy them, let's take a look at what people are saying online. One Reddit user pointed out that every review they found for the glasses looks suspiciously like it was AI generated, which, if true, would raise some red flags about the legitimacy of these claims. And then there's a malware tips review that is far from glowing. They argue that the product's brand or grand promises are scientifically implausible. The lack of transparency and poor customer service are also cited as major concerns. So while the glasses sound good on paper, the company's questionable reputation leaves a lot of consumers skeptical. So do MagVision glasses actually work, or are they just another gimmick? The glasses might help with magnification in some cases, but the over-the-top marketing and lack of transparency make it tough to fully trust the claims. If you're thinking of trying them out, exercise caution and remember sometimes the promises sound too good to be true for a reason. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.